Hi Victor, how was dinner with your dad? Victor, what happened? Are you alright, brother?
Everything was going great. Dad was happy to see me, and I felt glad to see him. Then he asked me if I'm seeing anyone. I told him I haven't found the right one yet. You know, my true love. Then Dad said there's someone he wants me to meet. She's beautiful and talented and intelligent. I asked him if he's playing matchmaker. Then he allowed this mysterious young woman, and I get acquainted. She was really gorgeous. We hit it off. I felt this really great connection with Angelina.
Wow, that's a beautiful name.
Yes, she's beautiful and really an amazing woman. She's 21, just 5 years younger than me. She's extremely talented.
Well, that's awesome, Victor. Your dad did great, bringing you and Angelina together. So why the frowny face?
Because I got it all wrong.
What do you mean? Victor, spill it out already. The suspense is killing me.
Angelina is my stepmom.
What do you mean?
My dad and Angelina are freaking married. Angelina is my so-called stepmom.
What the hell? So all this introduction was just to let you down easily. Your dad is really crazy, bro.
I'm never going back there again, that's it.
Victor, I understand, you're upset, but he's still your dad.
To hell with that Joe. As long as he's married to that girl, he's never going to see me again.
Victor, I know how you feel.
No, Joe, you don't understand. Angelina and I. Look, I really connected to her. It was like
love at first sight.
Yeah, but it was deeper than that, Joe. She's the
one, your true love.
Yes. Now you see why I can't be around her and my dad. I just can't, Joe. God, just my luck. I wish I never went to that stupid dinner. I wish I never met her. It's going to be hard to forget her. I was thinking about her all night. Do you see how wrong that is, Joe?
Take it easy, Victor. I'm here for you. We'll get through this together.
Thanks, Joe. I don't know what I'll do without you. You're my rock.
I'm here for you always, my brother.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Angelina.
Paul, it's been 1 month since you saw Victor. Is everything okay? I'm so sorry. It's because of me why you haven't heard from him.
Angelina, it's not your fault. That's just the way Victor has always been.
Why don't you tell him the truth? Paul, why don't you tell him that our marriage is nothing but...
Angelina, stop. Look, Victor will come around, you'll see. I have a plan, don't worry.
Fine, I'm going to work.
At the hospital this week and the art gallery another week. Angelina, you're spreading yourself thin.
Paul, I'm fine. I'm not complaining. I was always an artist, but I also love being a doctor. Yes, it's a bit hectic, but I love helping people and I love creating new artwork. The best of both worlds. Anyway, don't wait up. I have a double shift tonight, so I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Angelina, take it easy. You need to take care of yourself. Someday, you will have to choose.
I know. See you later, Paul. Have a great day.
You too, Angelina.
Thanks for coming, Victor.
I came as fast as I could. Is your mom going to be okay?
They just wheeled her into the surgery room. God, I really hope and pray that she'll be okay.
Joe, calm down. Your mom will be fine. She will be healthy and strong again.
Thanks, Victor. Thanks for being here.
Joe, you don't have to thank me, my best friend and my brother. I love you, man. Everything will be okay. Just get some rest. I'll wake you when the doctor comes out.
I don't know if I can sleep. I'm so worried and anxious.
Well, try Joe. Your mom will be depending on you a lot after the surgery, so get all the rest you can, okay?
Okay, you're right, Victor. I'll try.
Nurse, can you please tell me if Mrs. Carter is all right? Is she still in surgery?
The surgery was a success. Dr. Francisca will be out in a moment.
Thanks. Why does that name sound so familiar?
Hi, sir. Are you Mrs. Carter's son? Victor? What are you doing here?